I'm sure you've heard the news. Crochet is back and faster than ever. You don't need fancy yarn or skills, just a hook and 30 minutes. Ready for 5 tiny wins you can start today? If you're new to crochet or just want quick wins, here are 5 simple and beautiful projects you can try today. Mini coin purse. Small. Practical. Perfect for leftovers of yarn. Use single crochet. Add a zipper or a button. Done in under an hour. AirPods case. Cute. Protective. Great gift. Work in the round. Add a snap or a keyring. Customize with color stripes. Cute keychain. Fastest project on the list. Little motif. Pom-pom. Tassel. Add a keyring. Instant charm. Headband stretchy. Comfy. Great for bulky yarns. Try a simple rib stitch or a twisted front. Polished look. Small pouch. Multi-purpose. Zip ready. Perfect for cosmetics cords. Tiny tools. Size it to your needs. All 5 are beginner friendly. Use basic stitches. Finished quickly with scrap yarn. Which one will you make first? Comment below. I want to know. Quick tip. Keep a hook, scissors, a tapestry needle, and you're unstoppable.